Hey everyone, Dan here, back again from the video today. This is a video about my trip on the Frisco Silver Dollar line at Silver City up in Branson, Missouri. This engine here is the first engine that was used on the line, and this one is engine number 14, the one that we rode on today. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you next one. Peace.
Did you see the theater up by Fires and Hall House?
Opera House?
I wonder where the clothes towers are.
I'm sure we can find some dynastic.
I bet you they're back there in that kid area.
I think they might have been Chubby 2-3.
I remember coming here one year. I was about your age. Nickelodeon was here. That was pretty cool. Slime everywhere.
Everybody had some.
Green slime. That was before slime was a thing. Pinterest around slime. I love it when they start to melt.
I don't think I've ever been in the first car before.
Yeah, you were younger. You insisted on being right behind the engine when you were younger. You didn't care about the show. You wanted to watch the engineer. You want to sit with me, honey? You want to sit with me?
The orange cable above your head is for medical emergencies only. If you pull that cable, the engineer will stop the train, paramedics and security will be dispatched, and we're going to be on hold in the woods for a long time, so please do not pull that cable unless you have a real medical emergency. Finally, folks, I need y'all to please remain seated for me. Keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times, with your feet off the black running board to your left-hand side. Here we go. Well, howdy, everybody. Oh, y'all can do better than that. I said howdy, everybody.
Howdy!
Hey, that's a lot much more gooder. Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is your conductor, John, on the back of the train, and I'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Frisco Silver Dollar line. That's conductor Seth up at the front waving us out. Everybody wave and say, "Bye, Seth."
Bye, Seth.
We'll see him here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Most y'all know it doesn't take 2 to 3 weeks. To your left-hand side, $50 holler home to the old-time carousel where your kids can ride on a little animal. And for the adults, we got a bunch of benches over there. And there's the holler. Make sure you stop by there's the holler to get yourself a little air for the ride home. How much you want that ride home to be unbearable? Alright, now we got something called the gentleman on board. Coming up ahead, to your left-hand side, you're going to see a green two-story building. That's estimated $7 city saloon says on the some of the longest and prettiest place here in the Ozarks. And folks, that is just on our bar stool. Now, Savage, folks, we have not yet been given clearance to have our saloon show within the saloon itself. You can find that saloon show exclusively at the Beaufort Theater. On the your left-hand side, I'm right, fire in the hole. Everybody saying, fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
Yeah, we had that's the ball numbers coming down last night. They not part of the city on fire. Now you can do the whole chief over at fire company number 1. I'll put out that racing, blazing. Everybody, one more time. Fire in the hole!
Fire!
Yeah, your right-hand side, down this side area, hopefully the river falls in, and the guns run down. We'll talk a little bit more about that long ride later on. Off to your right-hand side is Farmer Wilson Park. We had a farmer by the name of Farmer Wilson come to town. That thing you that dropped you to the car at nearly 60,000 damage. Yeah, I guess you could say there ain't no tickets to that barn anymore. Alright folks, we're starting to head down a pretty steep grade here, and I can tell by the look on y'all's faces that you're just happy for about the break on this here train. Folks, I want y'all to worry no more because we got some of the most bestest breaks that went to buy. Everybody say hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray indeed, but they are on that corner. It should be here sometime next week. Hey, go down, I got y'all's attention. I need everybody to get their hands in the air. Come on, everybody, get your hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. There you go. Whee! Congratulations, you now know the emergency procedure for the event train because of public officers. And speaking of roller coasters, we are entering the mountain coasters with our camping coasters to your left-hand side here. That is called Havergate. It's gratitude down as long as you from 2 the restless to 2.5 1 feet flat. Or 3 seconds, whichever comes first. I don't know, I stopped counting after 7. And to your right-hand side here is the one and the only Alpha Run. Best roller coaster in Close 2013. I love to tell you all the more about it, folks, but I can tell we're not going to speak about that notorious trip on Brown City Bowling. Yeah, we download the downhill and it has to be headed our way. Everybody say, oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh yes, but folks, I need y'all to do you a favor now. I need y'all to keep your eyes up and your fingers crossed. And if you have local food, well, then, hey, I have some good. Now, all right, now we're coming up on the engineer's favorite part of the here, food judge. If you got a local food judge or town, like to keep the sample off the front and stop by the track for anybody who wants to try some. Now, look, if y'all support the food judge, you go ahead and raise your hand at this time. Fantastic. We'll drop you off and pick you up all the way back and hopefully pick you up. Yeah, my grandma used to call that stuff old dog. You know what's over the tub, going to the bathtub, going on kitchen hopping. Do a little turkey, a little green, and 3 while you just get broken. Oh, I'm so sorry, folks. I had fun with myself there. Yeah, folks, we are coming up on the old attraction here on the Frisco $1 line, which is the right from promotion for 82. Now you see folks we have the next year by the name of Big Body, which is the 4-mile-an-hour curve here, up right next to the 12 miles an hour. And you can only imagine what happens next. Yeah, that train's in the making, and the rest of the option on the inside here on the following area. So now we went down there into the right to look for Salvageable Park, and the leaves are 9. The Salvageable Park is down, one more on. Don't get back in. Well, we got the hip off, set them over the roof down, down, that's right, it's over July. Hey, think about it. You still picking up that engine. You might get 3 feet on that window. Yeah, go out that 3 feet on that window. Well, but that goes back to the just to tell you that there's always 3 kinds of people in this world. Those that can count and those that don't know how. Now, folks, I do need to remind y'all, please keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train all the time before downwind. Just the other day, we had some lady came from the car about the parking before. When did I get some time? The rattle-headed cop in my and jumped up onto the train and took her right off. We ain't had no Hartford nor to take this, but don't you can't worry, folks. We did find her husband buying around for everybody in the park. Singing, happy day, yard, Hey, come on, what's going on out there? We can't stop out here. Oh, no. Speaking around things, I was about to say, it's that notorious train robber out to get going. Everybody say, oh, no.
Oh no.
I'll jump off and see what he wants. And the big job, let's see if we can't scare him off first. Everybody shake your fist at that ball and call him ugly.
Ugly.
Folks, that won't care. Church mouse off a holy piece of cheese. You got to put your fist and voice into it. I said shake your fist at that ball and call him ugly.
Ugly.
Well, I might be ugly, but you're the ones that rode all the way out here just to get a glimpse of it.
I didn't come out here to see you bowling. What are you doing stopping my train out here in the middle of Rattlesnake
You
Country?
gotta be happy, glad I stopped you, because I stopped you to warn you.
Warn me about what?
Yankees!
Yankees.
Oh, buddy, 9 of the biggest, ugliest old Yankees you never did see down there around that bit. They got these war sticks and they're swinging and swatting at everything, and they ain't hitting nothing.
Why's that?
Well, I think they're New York Yankees.
I've on everybody knows there the Yankees in these parts going on 50 years.
50 years? Well, wait a minute there, college boy, they're back.
They're back.
Oh, yeah, they're back. They're 50 years older. They ain't getting around real good, but they're back and they're mean.
Oh, wait, how do you know they're so mean, though?
Last night I sneaked it up on them in the bushes and I heard them talking.
What they say?
The bushes didn't say anything. Bushes don't talk.
Not the bushes, you blockhead, the Yankees. What's the Yankees
Oh,
say?
well, why didn't you just ask that? They said, whoopee! Yeah! Hey, hey, hey.
That's what they said.
Word for Yankee word.
But boy, I don't speak Yankee, though, and I reckon nobody here on the train does. You do.
Oh, 3 years in the 4th grade, I got this.
Oh, boy. So what's all that mean, then?
Well, it means they're gonna swoop down on your train. Whoopee! Then they're gonna burn it to the rails. Yeah! And then they're gonna steal all the women. Hey, hey, hey.
Boy, I'm not buying that Yankee story, not even for a minute.
No, you don't gotta buy it. It's free.
I still don't want it, but I reckon for the safety of all my passengers, though, I will go check out these Yankees.
That right there's a good idea.
You got right another good idea, and I'm mad. You stop and stay. Get back up here. Get back up here. Stay away from my steam train. If I come back in, yeah, that one. If I come back and I find you anywhere near it, I'm going to give you a big surprise.
Big surprise. I like surprises. What you got?
How about a brand new belly button?
No, I don't need a new belly button.
Why's that?
Well, I done got one. If I had another, it'd be a naval reserve. Hey, y'all ain't figured it out by yet. Your conductor went down there to check on those Yankees, and he left y'all here with me. Now, I'm that notorious train robber Alfie J. Bowling, and what we got here is a stick-up. Oh, yeah, you gotta laugh at that because it just goes downhill, and I got the hiccups. So, I need everybody to get your hands up and act real scared. Come on, get them up, get them up. Woo! Oh, yeah, you all are awesome train. You're the first train that's done that all day. This is great because if I'm going to fake rob you, it helps if you act fake scared. Because what happened is the sheriff's got my brother Ralphie locked up in the jailhouse in town, and I'm trying to get bail money to get him out because tonight's liver and onion night at the house, and that's his favorite, and I'm hoping he eats mine. So I'm going to start back here with the cheap seats, and I'm going to work my way up to y'all high rollers, and so I'm going to need all your gold, silver, copper, and gold. Gold. D-A-W-L-R-Z, the folded stuff.
Look, don't tell me you're sorry. You tell all my ass passengers here you're sorry.
Tell them what?
Say you're sorry.
You're sorry? I don't see how that's going to help.
Oh, you know that's not what I meant.
That's what you said.
You know you're about this close to an idiot. Oh, that's it. You just stay right there. I'm going to shoot you on the spot.
On the spot?
Yep.
I didn't know that spot was there.
I'll shoot you back there, too.
Well, I'm back on. Get over here. You would shoot a fine, upstanding, good-looking guy like myself in front of his mom, would you?
No, boy, I don't reckon I shoot anybody in front of their mom, though. But what's your mom got to do with this?
Well, it just so happens my mom's on your train.
Your mom's on my train.
Yeah, she rides it every Wednesday like clockwork.
That's great, you blockhead, except it's Friday.
No, it's not.
What?
It's Thursday.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I don't care what day it is.
You don't know what day it is.
Tell you what, if your mom's on my train, I'll let you go. Then. How about that?
That'll work.
But first, I would like to meet her, though.
She ain't up for it right now. She's under a lot of pressure.
I don't care if your mom's under a pile of rocks bowling. I want to meet your mom.
I say no.
I say yes.
No.
Yes.
No. She don't.
What you just say?
I said, I hope she ain't sitting by herself.
Yeah.
Ma. I know she's on here.
Why's that?
Got a big whip of her when the train pulled in. Ma.
You better start thinking that's your mom all at this rate.
Ma, you can't hide over there. Ma, I'm sorry I robbed y'all.
Whoa, you robbed your mom?
Well, yeah, I didn't recognize her without her beard. When did you get out of jail, Ma?
Oh, get up here, Alfie. Don't answer that, man. Please don't. You leave that. No, there you go. Now sit out here. Leave that nice lady alone,
Now,
Alfie.
that ain't no nice lady. That's my mom.
Babe, I don't mean to embarrass you anymore. This blockhead just did. But do you claim him as your boy? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I quit. I'm done.
Oh, this is great. He quit because there ain't no more lines in the script for if they say yes.
Now I got to improv. Tell you what, a deal's a deal, boy. I won't shoot you. How about this? I'll shoot your mom.
No, you can't shoot Ma. She's just confused.
What you got me confused about?
That glassy look in her eye.
Yeah,
And the big happy grin on her smile.
yeah, she's a happy lady.
Yeah, she'll be a happy lady. That'll go beside her ain't my paw.
That ain't your call. That's it. I'm shooting me bowling.
But I'm the only bowling here.
Well, you run, high five, and weep then, bowling.
You ain't gonna find me.
Got your hiding spot.
Hey, you can't see me.
Well, I got some bad news for you, though.
What's that?
There's a fork in that tree.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that was sneaky right there. That was just not right. Well, kind of was right. There was a fork in there. How do you know that? He must be some kind of psychotic or something. Maybe that means somebody's gonna bring pie next time.
Let's hear from the J-Ball and the notorious train robber, Silver Dollar City.
Have a good day!
Bye, y'all. Come back and see me. Make sure you drink plenty of water, y'all.
That was a funny
If y'all having a good time out here today, give out a big old yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Now, folks, you know, if you are joining us on a one-day pass, you can upgrade to a season pass. That one-day pass you found with so many exciting activities coming up at the park. Single summer going on right now, but at the end of July, the Star Box will have moonlight passes. So make sure you get those passes and you can come back and see us here on the first one, $7 line. Now, folks, come in and head to your left-hand side. It's going to be Outlaw Road. Folks, that's road goes through the road in 2013. This ride will drop you 160 feet. And at 81 feet, drop you 60 miles down. And it's the first winner where we go. Super take you upside down 3 times. Outlaw Road, where the good guys are. Yeah, folks, please keep all our hands ready to be inside the train at all times. Here at home, we will be going. It's getting very tough. Hey, folks, why don't we have a good old-fashioned screaming contest? When I call it star number, I want you to go scream as loud as you can. So everybody, get ready. Here we go. Hey, congratulations, everybody. You're all winners here on the Frisco $7 line. Good job, everybody. Then we have a head to you left-hand side. You're going to see the madhouse where they take you. Some of you folks about that loud have their folks now, that is not found at all. It's square. That's right, folks. We don't cut corners here at Silver Dollar City. To your right hand side, that is Mystic River Falls. That is a half an hour long river master time, over 200,000 gallons of water, and that's the tallest family fun drop in the Western Hemisphere at 45 feet. Please do the rain. y'all for joining us out here today. Now at this time, we ask you to make sure you got all your trash, all your relatives, and all your trashy relatives, because if you don't want them, well, neither do we. Now, most people to the steamboat here, and you all can please remain seated for me. The engineers will stop at the line of break.